Hello. Okay, we're going to do a walk around demonstration on not one, not two, but 3 Kia Souls that we have in stock. These are all Freedom Motors conversions with the ramps out of the rear. Each of them is a slightly different trim package. All the details can be found on our website. Essentially, we'll start with this one. So this is a new body style, as you can tell by the lights. It's a used vehicle with a new conversion. It has a rear manual ramp just like the other two. But this is a brand new conversion. So this has full warranty from Freedom on this conversion. You've got a 52.5-inch opening height here. So just make sure that fits for your passenger in their wheelchair. And then these Kia Souls only had 2 rows of seats, the front seats and the mid-row seats to begin with. So they took that mid-row seat out. So you have a wheelchair position back here and then the 2 seats up front. Of course, the vehicle comes with a spare tire here since it was a almost new car. You can see that the lockdowns anchors are on the floor there. So you've got 4 total and then a set of Q strings to tie down the wheelchair in a secure manner. Overall, this is a really nice vehicle. This vehicle has touchscreen, AC, heat, steering wheel controls, no sunroof. This is the silver one. It's got the steel wheels on it. And then on this white one here, we just posted. This is a used vehicle with a used conversion, just like the yellow one. Same idea. Wheelchair access in the back here. This one has these alloy wheels on it. Power windows, locks. Smaller screen here because it's the older design. All these will have USB ports. Steering wheel controls. Nice seats. This is the white one here. And then this is the yellow one. So again, it's a used vehicle with a used conversion. This is a trade-in from a customer that had bought it from us. Power windows and locks. This different interior trim here. Actually has yellow stitching to go with the yellow exterior of the car. Smaller screen, not touch screen. And then it has these alloy wheels. So each one is a little different here. They all function roughly the same. They all have the same motor, powertrain. But take your pick, yellow, white, or silver. The silver one is the newest one. It's got the new design. You can see the lights are different on the front and the back. The new conversion, and then we have 2 used ones. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know which one will work best for you.